Hello, third graders. Today we're going to go over Unit 2, Lesson 10, Vocabulary Words. Ready? Number 1, Invention. The light bulb was an invention that helped people do things at night. What does it mean? An invention is something new that someone thinks up and creates. The Spanish word is inventó. Think about it. Which invention do you use every day? So one invention that we use every day can be a car. What's another invention that we use every day? Talk it over. We're going to answer these questions about the word invention. Ready? What do you think has been the world's most important invention? What future invention would make your life easier? So share your ideas. What is the world's most important invention and what future invention would make your life easier? Number 2, experiment. First, an inventor must perform an experiment to test an idea. What does it mean? An experiment is a test that helps scientists answer their questions. The Spanish word is experimento. Think about it. What kind of experiment would you do to see how magnets work? Talk it over. Match each question to an experiment. Discuss your choices with a partner. So first question, which objects float and which objects sink? And the experiment is place salty, sweet, and sour foods on different parts of your tongue. Or is it record what happens when you put various objects in a tub of water? Yes, these two go together. The next question, are different taste buds located in different places? This one would match with this experiment. Place salty, sweet, and sour foods on different parts of your tongue. Number 3, laboratory. Scientists may test their ideas in a laboratory using special equipment. What does it mean? A laboratory is a place where scientists work and do experiments. The Spanish word is laboratorio. Think about it. What do you think a laboratory looks like? Have you ever visited a laboratory? Talk it over. Think about how a laboratory might look. So let's think about it. What would you think a laboratory might look like? So let's look at our word bank. And you tell me if this is something that you would find in a laboratory. Ready? Experiments. Yes. Scientists. Yes. Calculator. Yes, if they're calculating something, maybe they might have a calculator there. Chemicals. Yes. A beaker. Yes. A goat. No, unless they're doing an experiment on a goat. A comic book. No. A computer. Yes. Number 4, genius. Although Einstein acted silly, he was known for his great mind or genius. What does it mean? Having genius means being very smart. The Spanish word is genio. Think about it. Do you know anyone who is known for his or her genius? Like Beethoven or Thomas Edison. What are his or her best skills? So who do you know that is known for his or her genius? Talk it over. Think about the skills it takes to be known to have genius. Say yes or no to tell whether doing the skill well means a person has genius. Ready? If a person can do this, does that person have genius? Play the piano well at age 3? Yes. Eat 6 bananas in 2 minutes? No. Remember every word of a book? Yes. Number 5. Gadget. A small gadget with many parts, such as a watch, can be hard to repair. What does it mean? A gadget is a small machine or tool that is useful. Think about it. Which gadget do you use most often in the kitchen? One example could be maybe you use a blender. What is a gadget you use most often in the kitchen? Talk it over. So we're going to go over this list of items and you're going to tell me, is it a gadget? Yes or no? A bottle opener. A remote control. A dump truck. A safety pin. And a vegetable chopper. Number 6, electric. The invention of the electric fan helps us to stay cool in hot weather. What does it mean? Electric means run by electricity. The Spanish word is eléctrico. Think about it. Why are electric items useful? Talk it over. So decide which of these items uses electric power. Remember, electric means run by electricity. A lamp. Yes. A book. No. A computer. Yes. A bicycle. Well, now they make electric bikes, so this can be a yes. A frog. No. A hammer. A zipper. And the last one, a microwave. So you tell me these last 3 if they are electric. Number 7, signal. A red light is a signal to stop. This invention helps to save lives. What does it mean? A signal is a sound, a movement, or another sign that sends a message. Think about it. What is a signal for surrender? Have you ever used it? So what signal do you use when you surrender? Talk it over. We're going to match each signal with what it means. A green light. A beep when you are talking on the phone. A yellow light. And the last one, a police officer facing a driver holding a hand up. So let's go back up here. A green light. What does it mean? A green light means go. A beep when you are talking on the phone. That means someone else is calling. A yellow light. That means slow down. And our last one, a police officer facing a driver holding a hand up. That means stop. Number 8, occasional. A good invention has an occasional problem but should not fail regularly. What does it mean? Occasional means sometimes but not very often. The Spanish word is ocasional. Think about it. When might you have an occasional absence from school? So one example would be if you woke up feeling sick. That means you sometimes wake up feeling sick, but not very often. Talk it over. The opposite of occasional is often. Think about the events that are occasional and the events that happen often in your life. So I'm going to tell you the event and you're going to tell me, is that occasional or often? Going to school, going to a playground, writing a letter, and reading a book. You're going to tell me, do you do this occasionally or often? Remember, keep practicing your words throughout the week. Have a great day. Bye.